from the first draft, you don't know what kind of a video you're making, and you rethink the video as you go, and that's where the cameraman team steps in and understands that and helps us. The countless number of re-edits that we require, voiceover changes, script rethinking. So the cameraman team is really it holds your hand during the process and is very supportive, and the kind of flexibility and the kind of insight, the kind of expertise that the cameraman team brings to the table is second to none, and we hope to run into them and work with them for continuous number of times, more and more number of times in the coming years.